I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sonic Mania on iOS. While Sonic Mania isn't directly available as a native iOS app, you can still enjoy this fantastic game on your Apple device. The key is to stream it from another computer. This process requires a stable and fast internet connection, ideally over a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, to ensure a smooth and responsive gaming experience. We'll walk through the necessary steps to get you up and running. To begin, you'll need to choose a streaming application. Steam Link is a popular choice for those with a PC, allowing you to stream your Steam library directly to your iPhone or iPad. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, Moonlight is an excellent alternative, often praised for its low latency. Before proceeding, ensure your host computer meets Sonic Mania's system requirements for optimal performance during streaming. Once you've selected your streaming method, install the corresponding application on both your computer and your iOS device. Follow the in-app instructions to pair them, which usually involves entering a 4-digit code. After pairing, navigate the app settings to optimize your streaming quality. Aim for a resolution of 1080 pixels and a frame rate of 60 frames per second for the best visual fidelity and responsiveness. For the most authentic and enjoyable experience, I highly recommend connecting a Bluetooth-enabled game controller to your iOS device. This provides precise input, far superior to on-screen touch controls. Within Sonic Mania itself, you might want to adjust some in-game settings, like visual effects, to ensure smooth performance over your stream. With these steps, you're ready to dive into the fast-paced world of Sonic Mania on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.